Welcome to PBIVizEdit tool. If you want to use Likert 3 column, you need to click on Modify Visual. Once you reach on this page, you need to fill these details. If you are a first time user, you need to register with us by click this blue link. Once you reach on this page, you need to click on Library and go to your chart which you want to modify and import it from here. And alternative is come back to this visual page. This time when you click on modify button, this system will automatically take you to the visual editor page. You can go either way, it will be same result. Once you log in, the editor screen opens up. Let me give you a very quick overview the way it organized. The left panel is all about charts and data fields, and the middle panel is all about formatting options. And the right panel is where you select your data as well as see the visual rendering. One thing to notice, the data used here is the sample data, but when you export the visual, the data will be used what you have in Power BI. So if you connecting to a SQL database or an Excel file or any other data source, you would see that this sample data will not be associated with the exported visual. So this is just for demonstration purpose or looking at how the visual looks like in real time. In the upper section, here you can switch between visual editors if you have multiple ones or export the visual from here. There is some additional setting as well as help guide with documents for reference. For users who wants to use right away, we have already created a visual for you. All you need to do is go to export visual and fill the right details here. If you want to change name, you can change it or leave it as it is. Here you need to put your name, your email ID. One important thing to notice, do change the GUID by clicking this refresh button. This is important because this GUID has to be unique for your visual. So when you are using this visual in your Power BI dashboard, this ID has to be unique. It should not have a conflict with any other GUID from the marketplace or any of the visual you might used before. If you are doing an update to the visual and this is not your first time, we recommend keep the GUID same because that will help with update. But if you are not updating and this is your very first time download, please click on this refresh button and create a new GUID for your visual. This will ensure that there is no conflict with any other marketplace visual. In field section, we have selected some options which are used mostly, but you can select or unselect from here, and same in the format, you can select according to your visual from these options. All of these options should be enough for your visual. Otherwise, if you are opting to a single time download, I would recommend you to choose all options because you will not get second chance after you pay and download. So we recommend tick all the options, those are here. If you are on a subscription plan, however, we recommend selecting the options that are necessary. This will help avoid clutter in your Power BI visual dashboard. If you need another visual, you can always come back and select additional options or deselect additional options as you like. Now you would be change all these options you select in format tab. You would be able to change all this in Power BI. Okay, once we are ready and we are satisfied with all the changes, we recommend you to export the free visual. Try it out, and when you are happy, you can go and make a purchase by click on this pay and export. And there is a subscription option as well. So if I click on export, it will take a minute or two, depends on how busy this server is. Now, as you can see here, visual creation completed, and there is your downloaded file. Now, let's go to Power BI and explore this visual. Now in Power BI, to import a visual, click on these three dots and import a visual from a file. Import it. Go to the folder where you have downloaded the visual, import it. As you can see here, this little tiny icon, by clicking this, we will get our visual. Let's drag it a little bit, make some space. Let's fill the data here. In neutral, I put neutral. In attributes, I put indicator. Disagree, disagree, strongly disagree, agree, and then finally strongly agree. Let's format a little bit. Chart, increase font size, increase the legend size, that's fine. In accesses, just increase sizes only, like this. I only want to increase size of our titles. The same process we applied here also. Now I'm moving to float and creating size to font. Like this, we will change all the floats table, and you can change as you like your visual, anything from here. Bar border, color, bar border, whatever you want. I hope you are able to create some powerful insights using this Likert 3 chart, and do let us know if you face any issues by contacting us through the email provided on our website. Thank you so much.